Can you use your fork, Bubba? Can you use your fork? Oh, yay, Bubba. Get your fork. There you go. Okay. There you go.
I hope there's some.
You get your fork. You gotta pick the fork up, too. Good job.
Sissy doesn't do finger food. Sissy uses her fork.
Oh, good, Bubba. Good boy. Using your fork just like your sissy. Good job. Yeah. That's good. Yay, Bubba. Yay, Bubba. Using your fork. Such a big boy. Yay.
Yeah.
Where's your fork, Bubba?